Nokia 7650 disassembly. These are the standard hand tools for the Nokia 7650 repair. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Place the unit upside down into the opening tool and open the grip. Take SRT 4 and press both levers so that it goes between the two covers. Then push the top side forcefully to the left. Remove battery cover. Remove B cover. Now the grip has to be unlocked. Be careful with the flex foil, which connects the two modules. Remove the protection tape carefully. If you keep one finger between the covers, you will protect it from scratches. You can use SRT6 opening tool to open the flex connector smoothly. Unscrew these two screws to remove the keymat cover assembly from the grip assembly. Remove the battery connector. Gently press the edges of keymat cover to release the module LS4. The keymat is now loose. Remove the magnet by pressing the keymat cover carefully as shown. Take the vibromotor from the grip cover. Do the same with the locking latch. To unlock the DC jack, an old plug from a charger can be used. Unscrew these 6 screws in the following order. Remove acoustic chamber containing camera module and SIM connector. To demount the camera module, take also the SRT6. Also, the SIM connector can be easily taken away. For dismantling the rest of the unit, you first have to unlock the chassis from the A cover. Turn the unit before removing the A cover. Protect the display with a foil. Take away the transceiver keymat. Open the flex connector carefully. Remove the user interface module. Unscrew the last 4 screws in the shown order. Note that you need torque size 5. Remove the radio module LG4. Take away the headset connector. The hands-free speaker, and earpiece. Push the power switch from the chassis. Unlock the proximity window. Remove the proximity rubber. Do not take the microphone from the spring clips because it can fall apart. Also, protect the inner side of the A cover. Remove the power key and the voice record key. Now the disassembly is completed.